guys, my name is Tanya and you are watching site visit of our client Varun. This site is designed by our team iRenovate. The site is at Janakpuri, and guys, I'm very much eager to show you the site. So here we go. So guys, we are at Varun's room. So right after entering this room, there is sitting here on my left side. Since the room is big in size, like it's quite huge, so we have given a longer and good LCD unit, which is again, suiting the interior of the room. So this unit, as you can see, is adding beauty to the room always. So this is made up of veneer, where we have done melamine polish on it. It has drawers, like there are 5 drawers here, space for PS4, Xbox, whatever you want to keep. And we have given cabinets here for the storage, as you can see. So we have given shelves here for the decorative items, like you can see. We've given candle stands here, the picture frames. So my client likes minimalistic designs. They don't like much of a stuff, so we've given very simple false ceiling, as you can see. So the color of the wood which we have given here is complementing with the wooden flooring, as you can see. So now I'll take you to Varun's study room and walk-in wardrobe. So we have given study table here with storage, drawer and shelves for printer. So on my both sides there are wardrobes up to ceiling. Here on my right side we have given slider. And on the other side, we have given normal shutters. They are of laminate finish. We have given 4 drawers and LED strip. This is again laminate finish. So right at the center, we have given dressing table with storage. We have given 3 drawers and a cabinet.